But I think at this point, we have to be honest with ourselves about where their hearts are, what their motives are, and how out of alignment those motives are with our community and where our hearts are, which are actually taking care of each other. So today we have to I think we have to escalate. And I'm asking everyone to join in this, not just by being here today, but by spreading the word. Later today, we'll be posting up a letter and really a petition directly addressed to the New York State Department of Health, to the New York State Office of Mental Health, and to OASIS, the Office of Alcohol and Substance Abuse Services. These are the 3 state agencies that are really our last hope. We're going to call on them to not allow this to become permanent, to not allow Westchester to permanently decertify these beds. So again, I'm asking every single resident of the county, 180,000 of us, to sign this letter, to add your voice to this, and asking everybody here as leaders to share this among your communities and your families and your friends and your coworkers and your networks. Because I still believe that if the truth is actually known, that if people understand the human toll and the tragedy that will continue to come from this decision, I have confidence that the state will not allow this to happen. But if we don't raise our voice, if we don't really mobilize, then I think this could get swept under the rug at a time when there are so many other challenges and we're coming out of the pandemic. So again, we will circulate that letter. The 2 specific calls in that letter, I just want to very quickly highlight those. The first, I'm just going to read specifically. To deny, to the Office of Mental Health and OASIS, to deny any application submitted by Westchester Medical Center requesting decertification of inpatient beds licensed to provide behavioral health, both mental health and substance abuse, stabilization and treatment to Ulster County residents. And then number 2, we further request that the State Health Department suspend approval for the Health Alliance building project on Marys Avenue until this gets resolved, because that entire building was premised on the promise that the behavioral health beds would be part of it. So they are in violation of that certificate of need, and they should not continue to move that forward until they honor their promise. So